It's a new 2018 Fiat 124 Spider. Fresh, sporty, fun, Fiat. It comes with great features you'll love. Manual transmission, sport suspension, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated sports seats, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Automobile explains the Fiat in each of its versions shares with the other car a reassuring balance of ride and handling with a significant degree of compliance going into a tight corner. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today. The friendly professionals at Perkins Motors are proud to serve the surrounding communities of Denver, Littleton, and Pueblo, Colorado. We're conveniently located at 1205 Motor City Drive in Colorado Springs, Colorado.